In today's video, we are going to be doing this super nude, neutral, really glowy spring makeup tutorial. This tutorial will be featuring our Baddy Lash, and I feel like this lash is perfect for this look, super sultry, super sexy. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So in today's video, we are going to be using the Huda Beauty new Nudes palette because we're going to be doing that nude, kind of neutral, spring, super glowy look. I feel like this is the perfect palette, hence the name. So to start off, I'm going to take the shade Play and use that as my transition shade, working that kind of all over my lid and blending upwards. On a smaller brush, I'm going to take that same shade and go underneath in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Secret and apply that closer to my lash line, blending kind of upwards and keeping it into the crease. Also going to take that shade in my lower lashes as well. Now I'm going to take the shade Teddy and also apply that kind of in the same exact place along my lash line and in my outer corner. Now I'm going to take the shade Raw and kind of stamp that along my upper lash line and lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to take a nude eyeliner pencil. This one is from The Balm. It is their Mr. Right, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to apply that in my waterline. Now it's time to apply our liquid liner, and we're actually going to be using our brown magnetic liquid liner in today's video. Keep things a little more neutral, nothing too like dark or harsh. We want to keep everything kind of like soft, so I thought brown would be perfect. While I am waiting for my liner to dry, I'm going to apply some blush. This one is by Tarte. It's their Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Exposed. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter. This one is from Pixi, and it is their Glowy Glossomer Duo in Subtle Sunrise. Also going to pop some of that underneath my brow bone. Now I'm just going to quickly pop on some mascara. Now time to put on our lashes, my favorite part. In today's video, we are going to be using the Baddy Lash, which is one of my all-time. I'm just going to snap those on. I'm also going to apply a little mascara on my bottom lashes just really quickly. Now, of course, last but not least, we are going to be applying a lip. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Nude Cream in the shade Nude. So that is it for this tutorial. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. We hope that maybe it sparked some creativity for you. It was really fun for me to use kind of all nude tones. It's not really every day that I like set off to use kind of all one tone, so this was really fun. Before you go, please don't forget to give this video a like down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. Happy spring, and we will see you in our next video.